Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we published a new video.
Miracle drink. No pain in 1 week, no joints, legs and back, neck pain. Do you feel excruciating pain in your back, knees, legs and joints? If you do, you're probably not taking good care of your body. Lead a sedentary lifestyle and stress out way too much. This pain you're feeling is quite common, especially in this modern day and age when everyone is in a rush for something and forgets to pay attention to the alarms that are buzzing in their bodies. Ignoring the pain will only make matters worse because it will grow so strong you'll end up not being able to ignore it anymore. But then it will be too late to do anything. The pain can disappear easily and quickly if you try the recipe below. You'll be a whole new person, ready for all the challenges ahead with this simple but effective remedy against joint pain. Here's what you'll need: cold water, 150 grains edible gelatin. This amount will last you for a month treatment. In a quarter cup of cold water, add 5 grains of gelatin. Stir it and leave it overnight on room temperature. Drink the mixture when you get up the next morning before breakfast and repeat the same procedure for a month. You can mix it with some juice or yogurt if you like. You can repeat the treatment for another month. But first make a 6-month break. Why is this recipe so effective? Well, because the gelatin contains acids that boost the regeneration of the cartilage, tendons, bones and collagen.